Well, if I told you this plugin can edit your entire video in seconds, no plugin, no timeline, nothing. Every single cut you just saw, I didn't edit them. Just the plugin did it. That's the crazy thing. What is up, guys? This is your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. Here I'm gonna show you how to use this auto edit plugin in Premiere Pro. This auto edit is the one which is update. So I'm gonna show you how to use this plugin step by step, and then you get cinematic result. So guys, when you're done to install this auto edit plugin update, the things you have to do, you have to come here on this Adobe Premiere Pro and then go here on this window extension and then place auto edit. So now you have to wait. This auto edit is gonna be open. Okay, so this is my auto edit window. So first I have to upload the mp3, the audio, and then this is where the performance shot will be, and then this is where the b-rolls will be. Okay, so first let me import this audio. Okay, so this is my folder where all things are combined. Okay, so I have to choose this mp3 and I'm going to import my performance shot. Okay, it's this one. So here I have like 6 performance. It is this one. Okay, and then you press OK, and then here and I'm going to import the b-rolls. So you have to import the b-rolls. So here I have some b-rolls. Okay, it is this one. Okay, so let me use this one too. Okay, for b-rolls, and then you press OK. So and I have to click here on this continue. Now you see all clips is importing in this Premiere Pro. The things I have to do here, they will tell you to select all the layers and then right click to synchronize, and then you have to choose the audio option for the mix down. Okay, so I have to Ctrl+A to select all and then right click, and I have to choose here for synchronize. Okay, and then I have to choose this audio track channel will be on this mixed down, then you press OK, guys. So here I have to wait because the process of synchronization is going to start. Okay, all right, so when the synchronization it is done, now you see what I get. So and I have to come back here for this auto edit, and then I click here on next. It is gonna detecting the BPM for this beat, and I have to wait there a few seconds. Okay, all right, so here you will see this message which told you edit by styles. Okay, here you can choose what the kind of edit you want. Guys, I like to use this random edit. You see how this random edit it is looking, and this is how the manual look it is looking, and then this is how the stairs it is looking. So guys, for me I like to use these randomly because tonight between the performance text in a random manner. Okay, all right, so now so I have to choose this random. Okay, and then about this edit speed I have to choose first. Okay, here it depends why the kind of the music video you are editing. If it is slow music, just you can choose the slow. Now you see here there is something which if it is fast, you see how the things it is cutting. If it is chill, you see it is the medium. If it is calm, it is for the slow songs. So for me, my song it is first. Okay, the things I have to do, and I have to click here on this proceed for random edit. Okay, about the b-rolls, guys, in the last video I used this auto edit without using these b-rolls. So about these b-rolls I have to choose high. Okay, and then here they will ask you if it is music video. Okay, for me it is music video, and I have to trim this b-roll. So guys, here and I'm going to detect here, it is going to detect the camera shake, it is going to just cutting, is going to just arranging all the things. So the things I have to do, I have to wait just a few minutes. So now the process is done. the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to check if my video it is good. And let me check it. Let me see how it is. Wow, you see the B-rolls, man. Now this is the clip which is here on the top. You see it is the B-rolls. You see? This is nice, and then you have to check all clips, and then you make sure if the performance shot and then B-rolls here there is so many B-rolls, guys. Then if it is too more, guys, now the things you have to do, you have to check it all the music clip, and then just you remove something else, yeah, something like that. Okay, then here there is some issues you have to fix on it. Okay, guys, it depends on here on my music video. I made some mistake when I am shooting. Okay, so when you see the blank, you have to extend your clip, and then you just delete that issues. Okay, now you see this is how you can use this auto edit with these B-rolls. Okay, now guys, this is nice. You can understand. Woo! So guys, I think that's how you can use this auto edit update. This is an update auto edit, and that's how easy it is to edit video automatically with this plugin auto edit. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to make subscribe and hit the bell notification below. Drop the comment down below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in next video. So keep creating. Peace.